Whimsey AI just launched, and if you're wondering whether this is the best new AI software to try, you've come to the right place. In this Whimsey AI review, we're going to dive into 7 crucial things you need to know about it. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether it's the right fit for your needs. Before we get started, I want to let you know that you can try Whimsey AI completely free. Just check out the first link below to get started. But stick around, because I'll be sharing insider tips and info that'll help you make the most of this software. So, what makes Whimsey AI stand out from the rest of the crowded AI landscape? First, it's all about simplicity with power. A lot of new AI software gets too complex, but Whimsey focuses on giving you an intuitive interface while packing in deep learning capabilities that you can use right away. It's designed for people who need results quickly. Second, Whimsey AI's personalization features are a game changer. Unlike many AI tools that offer generic outputs, Whimsey allows you to tailor its responses based on your specific needs. Whether you're using it for content creation, customer interaction, or marketing, it adapts to your style and tone, making it feel more natural and human-like. Now, let's talk speed. One of the first things you'll notice is how fast Whimsey operates. It processes data and provides insights much quicker than other competitors. This can really be a lifesaver when you're under pressure to meet tight deadlines or need instant results. Another huge plus is its integration options. If you're already using other software like Slack, Google Docs, or various CRM tools, Whimsey can integrate seamlessly. This means you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can work with your existing systems and still get the best out of this AI tool. If you're concerned about support, rest assured, Whimsey offers fantastic customer service. Their support team is responsive, and they also provide an extensive knowledge base, which is a huge help when you're just starting out. I know how frustrating it can be to get stuck on something and not know where to turn, but with Whimsey, help is just a click away. And here's something worth noting. Whimsey AI also boasts strong security features. In an age where data privacy is more important than ever, they've made sure that your data is protected. With end-to-end encryption and regular updates to their security protocols, you don't have to worry about any breaches or vulnerabilities while using the software. Lastly, the value for money. Whimsey AI might just be one of the most cost-effective options on the market. When you look at its capabilities, compared to the price point, it's hard to find a better deal. Plus, you can try it for free to see for yourself before committing. So, to wrap it up, Whimsey AI is a powerful, fast, and secure AI software that's incredibly easy to use. Whether you're an entrepreneur, marketer, or someone looking to streamline their workflows, it's definitely worth giving it a try. Don't forget, you can test it for free through the link below. And if you're looking for other top AI tools, I've got my recommended list in the description, with free trials for each one. After testing thousands of AI softwares, these are the ones I trust the most. Check them out and see which one works best for your needs.